Somebody's here. Yes?
You have a mail sheet. Here you go.
You.
You're welcome.
Oh, somebody ordered slime. Let's see what she wants. So, red velvet butter slime, $12. Galaxy slime, there's 3 of them, purple, pink, and blue. $15, don't worry about them. Alien pop socket, $20. I Bloom strawberry, giant chocolate, I don't have one of those, so $30. Moose plushie, $20. Total, $97. Plus shipping, $2.99. The total is $99 and $99.00. So I gave her some I'm gonna give her some extra, so let me write that on the note. So I'm getting her some kinetic sand. Our kinetic sand, powder ball, nail polish, and a little Beanie Boo dog. Her name is Tracy, and her birthday is December 7th. Birthday, December 7th, 2017. So, and that's all. Oh, and a stick bot, glow, and don't mind them. So, that's her slime. Let's go into the video. Yeah. Oh! But so it says slime on it. So yeah, I'm gonna give that to a freak. That's homemade. And bun free. So it says slime on it, but you probably can't see it because you can't. Let me write it on. Slime package. So it has a hole in it, but that's totally fine. So I'm gonna put her extras in. So this is the alien pop socket. It is mine, so I'm not going to give it to her. Cause I love this pop socket. See y'all, look. See how cute it is? It even has a flower headband. So I'm not leaving that to her. Here's some nail polish. I'm only gonna give her one. It's L'Oreal. It has clear nail polish and the purple one. The stick bot. Puppy. Kinetic sand. Paddle ball. And that's all for the extras. I'm gonna put all the extras in on that. So let's get to the slime. First, a red velvet butter slime. She wants it jumbo, so here's my jumbo one. This is the same one that has slushy. It is very sticky. Oh, she has activator. So look. She likes it. Next, Galaxy slime. So here's the pink one. These are very, very, very hard. Not good. that's the pink one. Here's the purple one. This one has the should be doing too. That's what it is. Hard. Yeah. The purple one. And then here's the blue one. Very good container. It's cold. Here's the blue one. It's very hard. There's the Galaxy one. Alien Pop Socket. Not giving that to her. I think strawberry. So this one has a face on it. It's very slow. It's supposed to be giant, but look, it is giant. You can't even see. And it's supposed to be dipped in chocolate, but who cares? Money, money, money. It's supposed to be giant because it's $20. That strawberry is $30. So this is the rose, but I have this one too. Her name is Chocolate. So this toy. It's not giant, but who cares? So, the inbox. There's the note. And the inbox. Let's do it right so that you hello.
Oh my god.
You for buying shop. No. I'm not. Wink. Wink. A skin. Okay, there's the note. So, let's go mail it. Hold on, Mr. Mailman. Here you go.
Thank you.
Hey guys, I just got my slime package. Opening. Yay! Package. Already the box. It didn't come with the box. So, untie it. No, yummy. So, there's two. Nasreen. Danielle first. Hello, customer. Thank you for buying from my shop. This shop. No refunds. I'm not. Wink, wink. A scammer. Enjoy. Bye. So that was pretty weird.
That was pretty weird.
This is the inbox. This is what tells me all things I bought. So, first thing I bought was a red velvet butter slime, $12. Galaxy slime, $15. Alien pop socket, $20. Panda bun, free. iBoom Strawberry Giant Chocolate, $30. Moose plushie, $20. My total was $99 plus shipping. My total was $97. Plus shipping is $2.